Well, hey guys, we're here at the Roberts Veggie Patch. As you can see, nice historic area of the town, Bay Roberts. Some time to start pulling some stuff. Potatoes, I don't know how well you can see this today. Over here it looks like most of the growing is done on some zucchinis. Some came pretty well. Don't know if you can see through. A few guys picking out. The potatoes, I'm going to get back to my potatoes in a second because I think I'm going to do some for supper. Over here's my other guy, lots of chives on the go. Celery. Celery's doing really good. I don't know how well you can see it. It's doing really good here for Newfoundland in my opinion. Lots of others here just chinched. Some needing others you can tell that they've been enjoying it, and I know this is doing the end of the job, and they have a successful. Turnips, onions are looking fantastic here as well. This is our first year for Veggie Patch. A lot of other ones going on in Newfoundland, of course, across Canada. So everybody this year here has been kind of experimenting, see what's working, what's not working, what some of our lovely bug friends are getting. I know for me it's a great learning experience. I look forward to doing it again next year, but it's soon supper time, so I'm very curious to see. I'm going to probably just pick out a few of these potatoes and see what I have. See, we got some lovely red potatoes. Over here. Just check that a bit deeper. Sure. Another. Some small ones in the store, but you know what? They're all nice and tasty. So I'm going to be checking back here. This one is really great for this. Checking back through the week. Get some more, but for tonight I probably have enough. Anywhere from Bay Roberts, Newfoundland, that's our Veggie Patch.